If you have accidentally deleted some photos and videos from Instagram and want them back on your profile again, in this video we will show you the easy way to restore recently deleted photos and videos on Instagram profile. To do that, open Instagram, go to your profile, tap on the three-line icon, tap your activity, scroll down, tap recently deleted. Keep in mind, you can only recover posts that you have deleted within 30 days. After that, you won't be able to recover that photos or videos from Instagram. As you can see this icon, here you can see the photos. If you tap on this, you will be able to see the deleted videos, and in this icon you will find the reels that you have recently deleted. To recover them, tap on the photo, tap on the three dot icon, tap restore again. When you want to restore your Instagram posts, you might have to verify that it is your account. You have to select your email, tap next. You will get a security code to your email. Make sure you have the access to it. Open your email, go to the Instagram's mail. Now copy the code, go back to Instagram, paste the code, tap allow paste. Now confirm it. Now you can restore anything from the recently deleted folder. Again, tap on the three dot, tap restore, again tap restore, and the photo will be restored. Same way, if you want to restore videos, go to video icon, select the video, tap on the three dot icon, tap restore again. The same process will work for reels too. Now go back to your profile, and if you don't see the recently recovered post, force close the Instagram and all the apps running in the background. Open Instagram again. Go to your profile. As you can see, the post will be back to your profile. Now some people have said that their videos were not recovered properly and it was just a thumbnail. As you can see, our video is playing just as before, and same with the reels. So guys, this is the way you can easily recover recently deleted photos, videos and reels from Instagram. That's it for now. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any query regarding the topic, let us know in the comment below, and always stay with our channel. Thank you.